5 years ago, AI could barely form a sentence. Today, it writes essays, builds websites, edits videos, and handles support calls all before your morning coffee. This isn't the future of work, it's the present. And the truth is, many of the jobs being replaced, people don't even realize it's happening yet. Every decade has its revolution. The Industrial Revolution replaced muscle. The internet replaced middlemen. And now, the AI revolution is quietly replacing repetition. It's not just about replacing workers, it's about replacing the process of work itself. Today, we'll look at 5 AI tools that are quietly replacing 9 to 5 jobs, one workflow at a time. Let's start with the obvious, ChatGPT. It's become the invisible intern, assistant, and researcher for millions of people. Copywriters, marketers, consultants, all using it to draft reports, emails, and strategies in seconds. The thing is, companies are no longer hiring assistants to do this. They're hiring one person who knows how to prompt AI well, and that's the silent shift. We're not replacing humans directly. We're compressing 5 roles into one human plus AI hybrid. An agency that used to have 5 content writers now has one AI editor. Their job? Feed ChatGPT the right inputs, polish outputs, and scale what used to take an entire department. Next, the design world. Midjourney is replacing what used to be the most time-consuming part of branding. Ideation, where agencies once spent days on concept sketches, now they type futuristic fintech logo in a minimalist gradient style and get 20 ideas in seconds. Graphic designers aren't gone, but the junior designers are. Brands don't need 5 people experimenting anymore. They need one visionary who can turn AI's raw potential into a finished piece. Midjourney isn't a tool, it's an accelerator. And accelerators always replace excess. You're hearing this voice right now, but it might not be human. ElevenLabs is redefining voiceover, dubbing, and even customer support. What used to require a studio, a script read, and hours of editing now takes minutes. Companies are using cloned voices for internal training, podcasts, and even brand ambassadors. And the most shocking part? Most viewers don't notice the difference. So the voice actor role doesn't vanish, it evolves into the voice director, someone who curates tone, emotion, and delivery across dozens of AI-generated voices. Next, let's talk video. Synthesia lets anyone create a professional talking head video. No cameras, no crew, no actors. With digital avatars and voice cloning, a single marketing manager can now produce a month of corporate training content in an afternoon. Entire companies used to rely on video teams, lighting specialists, and editors. Now, the spokesperson is synthetic, trained to speak 24/7, never miss a line, never call in sick. This is the corporate version of deepfakes, but instead of deception, it's efficiency. And finally, the most underrated replacement of all, automation agents. AutoGPT, Devin, and similar tools can now plan, execute, and adapt to complex objectives on their own. A single agent can manage data entry, write reports, perform analysis, and update spreadsheets without a manager watching over. This is where the real disruption happens. These aren't assistants, they're autonomous workers. Companies are building digital teams made entirely of agents that complete workflows overnight. That's not science fiction. That's happening right now inside startups you've never heard of. Notice the pattern. Every tool replaces repetition, not human creativity. The people who learn to use these tools aren't getting replaced, they're becoming 10 times more valuable. The divide is no longer between tech jobs and non-tech jobs. It's between those who use AI and those who don't. We used to fear automation taking away jobs, but automation is now the job. From ChatGPT writing strategies, to ElevenLabs voicing ads, to Midjourney shaping worlds, the future employee isn't human or AI. It's the two working together. Your next promotion won't come from working harder, it'll come from learning faster. The 9 to 5 isn't dying overnight. It's quietly dissolving, replaced by people who understand leverage. This is the start of the AI workforce era. Learn the tools, master the systems, and position yourself before the next wave hits. Watch the next short. Your next coworker might be AI.